Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Coinbase widget. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the widget on where you have added, just like this. Now you can see the widget is big. Now to change it, simply keep on tapping on the widget, just like this. And after that, here you can find the shape and size of the widget just right here. Now simply choose one of these, just like this. And now you can see the widget has been changed. And that's it. This is how you can change the Coinbase widget on your mobile phone. It is a very easy and simple process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.